The market-themed twin inflation test meets $88 crude. India and US inflation data to trickle in this Wednesday will now determine whether the bulls can defend crucial support. Meanwhile, the three positive catalysts. 1. FIIs and DIIs remain buyers. FIIs purchased equities worth approximately 259 crore rupees, while DIIs bought shares worth 25 crore rupees on Tuesday, providing a modest institutional cushion. 2. Earnings keep stock-specific momentum alive. Strong results from Gland Pharma, RVNL, InSwift Laboratories and select mid-cap companies could support earnings-driven buying. 3. Market volatility remains surprisingly subdued. India VIX declined over 3% to around 11.84, indicating that traders are not yet pricing in a major market breakdown. The reality check Nifty breaks below 24,500. The breakdown below 24,500 and continued inability to reclaim the 200 DMA region confirm that bullish sentiments remains fragile. The big risk Brent crude nears $88 as Hormuz deal remains elusive. For all importing India, persistently elevated crude could widen the current account deficit, weaken the rupee and intensify inflation and corporate margin concerns. The biggest event India and US inflation data take center stage. India's July CPI reading will influence expectations surrounding the RBI's policy trajectory. US headline inflation is expected near 3.4% YoY. A hotter-than-expected print could revive Federal Reserve rate hike fears and trigger volatility across global markets. Official US CPI schedule. Our call of the day caution will remain the buzzword. Nifty bulls are no longer merely walking a tightrope. The rope itself is beginning to shake as crude approaches $88 and inflation data looms. Market trend dashboard. Global cues, cautious. FII activity, plus 258.55 crore. DII activity, plus 24.77 crore. Overall sentiment, cautiously bearish. Market breadth, negative. Nifty's technical setup, consolidation with downside pressure. Broad Fano zone, 23,500 to 25,000. USD INR, around 95 rupees and 44 paise. Volatility and derivatives. India VIX, 11.85, minus 3.27%. Options bias, defensive positioning likely ahead of inflation data. Nifty PCR, 25th August, 1.03. Bank Nifty PCR, 25th August, 0.82. FI Nifty PCR, 25th August, 0.53. Midcap Nifty, 25th August, PCR 1.04. Nifty Outlook Protect Capital, buy only selectively. The Gyan Mantra is simple, avoid leveraged long positions, focus on earnings-backed stocks and do not chase opening rebounds. What technicals tell us about Nifty, Sensex and Bank Nifty? Nifty, 24,472. Support, 24,351. Make or break support, 24,139. Resistance, 24,584 by 24,774. Expected range, 24,300 to 24,650. Bias, cautiously bearish. 21 DMA, to 4276. 50 DMA, to 4026. 200 DMA, to 4752. Sensex, 78,154. Support, 77,701 by 77,300. Resistance, 78,542 by 79,367. Expected range, 77,600 to 78,600. Bias, cautiously bearish. 21 DMA, 77,669. 50 DMA, 76831. 200 DMA, 79963. Bank Nifty, 57,446. Support, 57,100. Make or break support, 56,700. Resistance, 58,064. Major resistance, 58,706. Expected range, 56,900 to 57,900. Bias, cautiously bearish. 21 DMA, 57515. 50 DMA, 57120. 200 DMA, 57479. Bank Nifty closed marginally below its 200 DMA region. A sustained break below 57,100 could expose the crucial 56,700 support. Stock market news. Dalal Street enters Wednesday with caution as Brent crude approaches $88, the Indian rupee weakens and Nifty slips below 24,500. Sectors likely to outperform. Upstream oil and gas Brents near $88 could support realizations for ONGC and Oil India, although overnight geopolitical reversals remain a risk. Pharma and healthcare strong earnings from Gland Pharma and defensive positioning ahead of inflation data could support the sector. Select Defense Hal's Q1 earnings and order book commentary could drive stock-specific momentum. Sectors likely to underperform. Aviation, paints and tires. All marketing companies. Consumer and financial stocks inflation concerns, higher bond yields and rupee weakness could restrict near-term performance. Stocks to watch. Positive bias. Gland Pharma, Q1 earnings exceeded expectations, driving a nearly 10% rally. RVNL, PAT rose 18%, while EBITDA increased sharply and margin expanded to 4.3%. In Swift Laboratories, adjusted PAT surged approximately 184% YoY, supported by 25% sales growth. Oil India and ONGC, higher crude prices remain a near-term earnings catalyst, although positions require strict risk management. Negative bias. KEC International, Q1 PAT declined 42% YoY, while revenue remained flat. Sea Entertainment, profit declined 48% as advertising revenue remained under pressure. Dilip Buildcon, weak quarterly earnings triggered a sharp negative reaction. Q1 FY27 earnings to trickle in vertical bar Wednesday, 12 August 2026. Hindustan Aeronautics, Grasim Industries, Tata Motors, Apollo Hospitals Enterprise, GMR Airports, Lenskart Solutions, Abbott India, Gujarat Fluorochemicals, AIA Engineering, Petronet LNG, IRCTC, Astral, Sansera Engineering, Kaplan Point Laboratories, Sun TV Network, Ercon International, Titagar Rail Systems, Watec Vabag.